another update for y'all, and I don't know if it's going to show up on camera. Do you see how filthy that bathtub is? I sprayed some cleaner, and it made streaks. Is that coming up on camera? You can kind of see the streaks, like right there, and like up in there. I cleaned this one, and it's looking way whiter than that one right there. I don't know. I don't know if you can tell it or not. And I'm using, where's it at? I'm using Mean Green with bleach, mildew destroyer, kills mildew, and cleaning soap scum, and it made those streaks, which lets me know this bathtub is filthy. Just a little update. I'm not going to show cleaning it because I'm spraying it, letting it set, spraying it again, and then taking that brush right there and kind of scrubbing it. If you go on this side, hold on. If you go on this side, this I haven't cleaned yet. See how dirty that is? And that right there I have cleaned. I don't know if you can tell the difference on camera or not. But it's a work in progress. My husband is going to take and get the decals off of the back of the shower. But it's a work in progress. We're getting there. Slowly but surely.